Welcome to the Nikki Show. Bago ang production, maya-maya ibibigay mo siya na ibabato ko pag sa tuwing nag-welcome ako. So guys, hi. Oh my God, it's like time. Is it? No, it's not. In a couple days. I'm so excited. I love Christmas so much. At alam mo kung anong pinaka-main na napansin ko ngayong Kapaskuhan? Ano naman ang problema mo? We're so full of love. Alam mo? Okay. Talagang na-feel ko na Pasko na. Pero the past couple of days, hindi ko nararamdaman na Pasko. But ngayon, talagang feel ko na Christmas dahil pagbaba ko pa lang ng kotse, napakabait ng mga guards. Ang mga guard ng ABS ko sa Nabate. Ay, good afternoon po, Ma'am Nikki. Ang beses ko. Biglang alam na nila yung name ko. Ay, Christmas brings so many lovely moments. Okay, so, expect ata nila na meron akong gifting. Hindi ko naman remember yung mga fest ko na isa-isa. But, we'll see about that. Anyway, kwento about Japan. Because I just came from Japan. And I love Japan. I super love Japan. I did a show with the Concert King. Excuse me, leveling. Concert King. Nikki Hill. Thank you so much. At, ano ba tawag dito? Tapos, nag-duet pa kami. Excuse me, leveling. Once again, can I just remind you? And it was so much fun. And I love Japan. It's so clean. Super clean. Once again, gusto kong dilaan yung lupa. Ganun kalinis sa Japan. And the people, I love the food. I love the weather. The weather was perfect. It's winter in Japan right now. Pero super tama lang yung weather. May konting sun pa rin. But the weather was beautiful. And the people are so polite. As in, sila na yung, ikaw na yung nakabangga sa kanila. Sila pa yung, oh, sorry. Sila pa yung ganon. So, ginawa ko experiment. Lahat sila binangga ko. Lalakad na, whoosh. Nga ako sorry sila sa akin. But, yeah, I love the people and I love everything about Japan. I'm actually thinking of migrating there. And to use my gifts and talents for that country. Okay, anyway, we have Hale. They return at number 10 with Calesa. Happy birthday, kina Manny Pacquiao and Michael V. Michael Bolton. No. Did you buy a ticket? Ticket is offline? Manny Pacquiao and Michael V. Happy birthday. Ilang taon na kaya si Pacman? Saan tayo, guys? O saan tayo ng mga Christmas bonus? Wait a minute. Wala pala tayong Christmas bonus. Okay. Ilan taon na sa? 30? Is it good? 38? 38. Okay, sige. And Michael V. Of course, Michael V. Talagang walang kupa. He's one of my most favorite comedians ever. Sobrang talented niya. Pero you know what, trivia? Yung mga comedians pala. Although I haven't exactly spent enough time with Michael V. to know. Pero most comedians, parang sa real life, ano sila, parang gloomy and dark. Parang si Charlie Chaplin, at saka sino ba, parang I read that somewhere, or I could just be making it up, I don't know. But, ano daw, parang they're in real life, parang kaya sila nagiging comedian because in real life, hindi sila happy. They're lonely people. But I don't think Michael V's like that. Anyway, wala lang, may masabi lang. Anyway, Taylor Swift declines to number 9, with 15. Back to the Nikki Hill Show. Ano mas respect ko yung ibang emotion na binabato ko. Mas mataas ang energy niya. I'm so happy. Teka lang, conceptualize ko yung susunod ko emotion. So you have to undergo workshop for this under the regular billion. Okay, Christmas plans! Oh my God! Start spreading the news! Yeah! Wala lang. Hindi ko share sa inyo yung plans ko nung baka ginahin niyo ako. So, I'm so excited. This Christmas is gonna be a very special Christmas for me! I love it! Kaya super kayo ng lahat ng mga utao because it's Christmas time, magastos pala ang Pasko. Kahapon lang, guys, nasa mall kami at nagsha-shopping kami ng mga Christmas gifts. Every year, napansin ko, pabawas yung bibilang ko. So, pakuripot ako ng pakuripot. Pabawas. Yung parang mga, yun naman ako binigyan ng Disney lahat, hindi ko nabibigyan. Ang daming ganun. So anyway, so my Christmas plans are, of course, no work, fingers crossed, and sana ay nasa ibang lugar ako na malamig at masaya. And I don't know, what are your Christmas plans? If you have any suggestions kung ano bang pwede kong gawin, bilang yun pa lang ang plans ko right now, text me. Anyway, a song that is very timely sa ating pinag-uusapan ay nagmumula kay Sarah G. Napansin niyo, yung video niya ng Very Special Love, You Changed My Life, and Your Christmas Girl, parang similar. Feeling ko ito ng director. At yung director na yun, na-achieve niya talaga ang perfect angle ni Sarah G. Napakaganda niya dito sa mga video na yun. Anyway, here's Your Christmas Girl at the rate.